let's just wait for everybody to switch on their video.
Just a moment, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, is it visible to you?
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you guys are visible. So I request Sapna, Garima, Khwab, and Redmi Note 6 Pro. Please switch on your videos.
मैं इस कॉल इसलिए लिए बस आप लोगों को क्लियर रहे, क्योंकि हो सकता है किसी को ये डाउट आ रहा हो कि हमारे
I request all of you to mute yourself, please, so that there is no disturbance when you speak. So yeah, thank you. Redmi Note 6 Pro, क्या आप प्लीज अपनी वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं? All right, by the time she joins in. So welcome, ladies. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to Forever Star India and your auditions for the day. And I hope you guys are excited as well. So शुरू करते हैं. I am your host for the day, Harry Khosa, and let's get started. So Forever Star India के auditions 2 step में होंगे. पहला step is going to be a RAM box. So आप लोग एक साथ RAM box शुरू करेंगे, 2 rounds, and you will sit back after that for your introduction. And introduction बहुत ही crisp रखिएगा. Talk about your educational qualifications, your hobbies, and of course, why are you here today for Forever Star India, and why do you want to win the crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021. So Rambox अब एक साथ शुरू करेंगे. Interaction हम one by one take over करेंगे. So आप लोग please begin.
Okay.
सुरभि, मीनाक्षी जी, आप लोग भी शुरू कर सकते हैं अपनी Rambox के साथ जी.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, you are visible. Please begin. Redmi Note 6 Pro, क्या प्लीज आप अपनी वीडियो ऑन कर सकती हैं?
Is it visible?
Yes, all of you are visible, guys. Please go ahead. Yeah.
Can I start or wait?
Yes, all of you can start.
Okay.
Two rounds and then you sit back automatically. Okay, Surbhi and Meenakshi, you both can sit as well. Thank you. Thank you so much, ladies. So let's start with the introduction part. And let's hear it from Surbhi first. Hi, Surbhi.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening to everyone.
Good evening. Can we please have your introduction?
Yes, ma'am. मेरा नाम सुरभि पांडे है और मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में. मेरी हॉबीज है सिंगिंग और मॉडलिंग. मैं अभी कुछ दिन पहले एक सखी संघ एनजीओ से जुड़ी हूँ जो एक चैरिटी के लिए काम करती है. जो इस पेंडेमिक टाइम में, इस टफ टाइम में जो कोरोना फ्रंट वॉरियर्स हैं या जो जरूरतमंद लोग हैं, उनके जरूरत की चीजें मुहैया कराई गई। मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर आपको कोई चीज पानी है या सफलता पानी है, तो उसके लिए कोई मिरेकल नहीं होता, उसके लिए आपको कठोर मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। और ये स्ट्रेंथ मुझे मेरी माँ से मिली है, तो मैं आगे भी ऐसे बहुत काम करना चाहूंगी। और आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ तो अपना नाम कमाने के लिए, ताकि मैं सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ कर सकूं। जो हमारे आसपास के जो गरीब बच्चे हैं, जो असहाय महिलाएं हैं, जो अपना सपना पूरा नहीं कर पाती, तो उनके कुछ छोटे छोटे सपने तो हम पूरे जरूर कर सकें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Surbhi. Thank you so much for putting, out the details so well. So can I hear it from Meenakshi now? Hi, Meenakshi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
How are you?
Thank you, ma'am, so much.
Okay, so please proceed with your introduction.
मेरा नाम मीनाक्षी टंडन है। मैं 40 इयर्स की हूँ। मेरा ये मानना है कि हम जब चाहें, जहाँ से चाहें, अपनी जिंदगी की एक नई शुरुआत कर सकते हैं। इसीलिए मैंने इस प्लेटफॉर्म को चुना है। आज मेरा ये इस एज पे आके मैं थोड़ी लेट जरूर हुई हूँ, लेकिन आपके द्वारा मैं ये दिखा देना चाहती हूँ कि 40 इयर्स में भी हम लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। और मेरी हॉबीज हैं मॉडलिंग करना, मेरा पैशन है, मैं एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ। मैंने मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के कई अवार्ड जीते हैं। मैं इस समय एक सैलून को रन कर रही हूँ, और बस मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay. So Surbhi, you are here to break, Meenakshi, you are here to break stereotypes, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों आना चाहती हैं? Why do you want to win the crown?
Because मैम शादी से पहले मेरा शौक था मॉडलिंग। मैं मिस इंडिया के लिए जाना चाहती थी, पर फैमिली सपोर्ट से पॉसिबल नहीं होता था। बट मुझे लगता है कि मैं इस क्राउन को जीत सकती हूँ। मैं और इस फील्ड में और भी नाम कमा सकती हूँ। मैं इस समय रिसेंटली फोटोशूट वगैरह करती हूँ। लोग मुझसे कहते हैं कि यार तुम करो, तुम कर सकती हो, तो मुझे अपने को प्रूव करना है, इसीलिए मैं आई हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you so much अपने बारे में बताने के लिए. And let's hear it from 1+7. आपका यूजर नेम शो हो रहा है. Can I please hear from you?
मैम गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening.
मैं अच्छी हूँ मैम। मेरा नाम तनुषा अधिकारी है।
Sorry?
मेरा नाम तनुषा अधिकारी है।
Okay, Tanusha.
और मैं नैहाटी वेस्ट बंगाल से हूँ, कोलकाता के आउटस्कर्ट से। बेसिकली मैम मैं यहाँ पर इसीलिए आई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे एक चीज बहुत अजीब लगती है कि हम अभी भी एक ऐसे कंट्री में रहते हैं जहाँ अभी भी कुछ ऐसी एरियाज हैं जहाँ पर लड़कियों को बाहर जाने के लिए या कुछ करने के लिए बहुत ही सख्त परमिशन की जरूरत होती है। कभी कभार परमिशन मिलती भी नहीं है। तो मुझे लगता है कि कोई अगर ब्यूटी पेजेंट जीते या कोई भी ऐसे कोई मुकाम तक जाए जहां से दूसरी लड़कियां देखकर सोच सके कि हाँ हम भी जा सकते हैं, या उनके घर वाले भी सोचे हाँ हमको भी ये स्टीरियोटाइप जो पुरानी चीजें हैं वो सारी चीजों को हटा देना चाहिए, इनको आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए। तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ फॉर द वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट। एंड मोस्टली मुझे सिंगिंग करना, ड्राइंग करना और डांस तीनों का बहुत शौक है। मैं फिलहाल मेरे मास्टर्स के फाइनल ईयर में हूँ। आई एम डूइंग माय मास्टर्स इन इंग्लिश फ्रॉम कल्याणी यूनिवर्सिटी वेस्ट बंगाल, एंड दैट्स ऑल मैम।
All right. Thank you, Tanusha. Thank you. And I understand and respect the idea that, when you talk about women empowerment and kaise women have always been put into shells. And I'm sure you are a literature student, so patriarchy is a deep concept that you must have understood. So moving forward, let's hear it from Mehak. Hi, Mehak.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you, Mehak? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine. How is you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So let's hear it from you. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, please.
I'm myself Mehak Chaudhary, and I am 19 years old. I'm from Mathura, from ordinary middle class family. I'm pursuing BCom honors, and I am a first year graduate student. So my hobbies are sports and somewhere I have interest in modeling also. I prefer to be honest, hardworking, and impressive. Since I was looking for an opportunity, I would like to thank Forever Star India to to give me this opportunity, and that's all.
Okay. So Mehak, what kind of sports do you enjoy? आपको क्या specific sport interests you?
I enjoy running,
Sorry?
athlete.
Okay, okay. So, and what brings you here today? आप athletics में हैं, आप आपको थोड़ा बहुत modeling का शौक है, but आप इस platform से क्या aspire करती हैं? What do you want to become after you win the crown?
Ma'am, I want to be a successful model here in this field, and here I have an interest in modeling as well. So it's kind of a dream which I want to fulfill here.
Okay, okay. So that's wonderful, Mehak. Thank you so much. And let's proceed to Leela. Hi, Leela. अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए, please.
Hi, ma'am. I'm sorry for the background.
No problem, no problem. It's okay. We understand we're all, stuck in the pandemic at home.
Yeah,
so-
work from home thing is going on. So yeah, my name is Leela Kamal. So basically my hometown is Gorakhpur and right now I'm here only. I'm 24 years old, and if I talk about fashion, fashion is something which always tempted me, from the longest time. But coming from a middle class family, end up studying. So the most necessary thing in any middle class family is to take education, get independent, and then only you can follow your passion. So that is what I did and landed up to BTech. So I'm an engineer, electrical engineer. Then after that MBA. Right now I'm a business analyst in an IT company Noida. And now I would like to pitch here about why I should be suitable candidate, because I won Miss Fresher in my MBA 2018, where sort of same thing, ram walk, introduction, question answers. So I am very much familiar with it. So yeah, definitely I want to go for this Miss India forever. And also last 4-5 months been very tough. Faced a lot of things. I lost my mother, and father tested COVID positive also. So all these sort of things happened, which made me even more stronger. So I didn't sit and sit at home and just stop following my dreams. I didn't do that. I, from the very after just everything happened, I picked myself up after 2 to 3 months. I just I started my job, and now when I got the opportunity to follow my passion, I just thought, let's just go for it. Let's give it a try, and if maybe I'm able to qualify it, will it get maybe a sort of a sense of satisfaction to my mother who is watching me from the skies. So I really want to do this for her, and also because I have capabilities, I think, and I've done many fashion shows during my college fest too. And also talking about my achievements, so I'm a regional level taekwondo player, and also I won CII Majestic Patanjali presentation competition, where I won 15,000 cash prize, where I've given presentation over Patanjali case study, and we have convinced industrial people, many people from Honda, and also CEO of Hero Honda came, and we convinced him, even though he was like against Patanjali, we convinced him and finally secured the position. So yeah, and most important thing, all these things happened. So right now only 5 members left in my family. I have 3 siblings. I have my father and taking care of them, doing my job, and following my passion. That is about me. So yeah, that's all, folks. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Leela. Thank you for putting it out in detail. And, I wish you more strength, to follow your dreams. You are automatically an inspiration for all of us here. And yeah, thank you. So I shall move forward and get back to you. So let's hear it from Srishti.
Okay.
Hi, Srishti.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Am I audible to you, ma'am?
Yes,
There
you're
is some
audible.
network issues, I guess.
No, it's perfectly
I'm fine, ma'am.
Go ahead with your introduction, please.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm Srishti Jaiswal. I'm recently pursuing BA LLB from Banasli Vidyapeeth, Rajasthan. and my hobbies are like paintings and watching series and like recently I am internship under Lalita Roy Memorial Foundation, Dehradun, and that internship is basically upon the disabled people, and uh, we are recently also I am just published my paper on like international journal, and now I'm thinking about to build my career in modeling, and somehow I'm also thinking about to make my own website for publishing the blogs and all. We are just on the process to do that, and uh, after all this thing, I'm also fitness conscious, but because of this pandemic, I'm at home right now, so all is now.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Srishti. Thank you. And yeah, I shall get back to you. Thank you for so much, for putting it out so well. So let's hear it from Kwab. Hi, Kwab. That's a very, ear-pleasing name.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good evening to one and all present here, to Miss Harry and Miss Kirti. Thank you for inviting me. So I am Kwab Dylan. I am from Meerut, UP. I have done my schooling from Sophia Girls School, Meerut Camp. Then I did my graduation in BBA LLB from Galgotias University, Greater Noida. Then I followed one step ahead. I did my master's from ILS Law College, Pune. So basically, I'm advocate by profession, but I want to pursue my education more ahead. So I continued working, studying, and did masters and planning to do PhD. Talking about my hobbies are gardening and cooking. These are the two things which these are stress buster things for me. Whenever I'm angry or I'm stressed, I just go and do cooking or gardening. So modeling is something which has always been with me since I was 6 or 7 year old. I used to dance, I used to mimic or act like actresses, thinking, yeah, I'm a model. So my brother and sister, they used to encourage me, yeah, you can do that, you can do that. But I guess this lockdown is something people have tried a lot. So following this view that I can be a model, I started my separate Insta page where I do all these things relating to my personal, something separate from my education. So that's why I saw your audition post on that platform. So I thought, why not try it? Why to keep it restricted to Instagram? And why I should be Miss India 2020 is because apart from my education and apart from my hobbies, the very basic nature I'm very social in nature. I want to work for help. I want to help rather needy people the best I can. So one of the efforts taken by me was in my master's, my dissertation topic was LGBT community and the role of international conventions. So I did a good research and drafted a resolution, which I think if I ever publish that paper, it would be forwarded. So working on the same issue, if I become Miss India 2021, I can take this same issue and other issues of same nature at an international aspect, including at a national aspect. So these people would get more recognition when such issues are publicly worked upon and talked upon at such platforms. So one of the reasons why I want to be Miss India 2021 is because I want to be the face who work hard and fight for these people so that they can get what their rights are. Yes, thank you.
That's wonderful, Kwab. That's a very, very noble thought. So I shall get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Garima now. Hi, Garima.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. So,
okay, so please.
Yeah. So I'm Garima Jan, and by profession, I'm a chartered accountant. But modeling and dressing up makes me take over my passion. And I have 2 kids. My family always told me that you are looking so younger, and I want to show them that I can do everything apart from my education. So everyone say that you are a chartered accountant, always busy doing all your stuff. But I'm saying that I'm a versatile person. I'm not only a educated person. I want to show them that I'm a very versatile and multi-talented person. And I'm a very fitness freak. After having a 2 cesarean, everyone told me that you cannot reduce your weight. But I tried my best and look how I am. So that's it for my side.
Okay, so what brings you here, Garima? You are a chartered accountant, and of course, do you want to become a model now? Like, do you want to pursue modeling full time?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you. It was a pleasure hearing from each one of you. I'm sure अब तक आपको ये realize हो गया होगा कि आप लोग कितने different हैं एक दूसरे से, कितने unique हैं. But still, the one thing that binds each one of us is, to make an identity for ourselves, to create something, to do something that nobody has ever done, and of course, to empower each other, to empower women at the core. So it was lovely hearing from each one of you, and congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. This is just the beginning, and the platform has a lot to offer. And for that, we have our director with us, Miss Kirti Chaudhary. She is the project director. Of course, a female-led platform, by default. So, आप लोगों को इतना तो ensure हो गया होगा कि you can be as safe and comfortable in this space, because we are all women here looking out for passionate women and making sure that they fulfill their dreams through our opportunities and to ensure that they get the right platform. So over to Kirti ma'am. She will be talking about the platform in detail.
Thank you so much, Hari, for allowing me. And thank you, each one of you, for beautifully talking about yourself. I think each one of you is, yes, again, so unique, but the way you have spoken about yourselves, all of you seem pretty confident to me. And, before we move ahead with the process, with the training sessions and participation, let me just give you a brief about the platform. So this audition that you're giving today is for Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. Forever Star India is organizing the most unique and the biggest beauty pageants of the country. So why do I call it unique? When, you were talking about breaking stereotypes and the social conditioning that all of us women have been going through throughout our lives, then this platform totally makes sense for all of you, because we are here to do the same. The beauty pageants that have been happening across the country have made our mindset that, we have to look a certain way. Our height should be this, our weight should be this, our color should be this. But here it is not the case, right? That is why we've kept the minimum height to 5 feet. The maximum weight is 65 and 80 kgs respectively for Miss and Mrs. India. We have kept 2 categories for Mrs. India, right? One is for 20 to 35 and the other is for 36 to 50. So why are we doing this? Why are we changing the criteria? Why are we making 2 categories? Because we want you to feel the best version of yourself, right? We want you to be here on this platform, and then the trainers are going to train you to become the best version of yourself, right? For that, we have 150 plus experts here, which includes motivational speakers, image consultants, we have makeup artists, choreographers, and you just name the profession and we have the trainers here, right? And this is going to last for a time of 6 months. For example, today, if you're giving the audition, by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will be receiving your audition report, right? So this is the first step of transparency that we are taking. Very transparently, it will be explained to you in detail through this audition report that on what basis have you been selected, right? So whether you're selected or you're not selected, you will be receiving this audition report. It will act like like a proper report card that you can keep it for a lifetime. Now, after the audition report, if you are selected, then you will be completing the participation process. And once you become a participant of Forever Miss and Mrs. India, then the first most important thing that you receive here is lifetime membership of this platform. So again, I would like to say that this is not just a beauty pageant that you're participating in. It is like you're becoming a part of a huge community of like-minded women like you, right? तो जैसे ही आपका ये complete होता है participation process, आपकी एक profile generate हो जाती है Forever Star India पे, और ये प्रोफाइल इस कम्युनिटी पे लाइफ टाइम के लिए, यानी कि इट इज गोइंग टू स्टे हियर फॉरएवर. नाउ हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन द लॉन्ग रन? So using this profile, you will be able to harness a lot of business opportunities here. For instance, when Meenakshi, you said that you are into makeup, right? अब as a makeup artist काम कर रहे हैं. Some of you said you're a CA, and some of you want to pursue modeling as a career. then using this profile, you will be able to do that. एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देती हूँ कि जैसे 150 से ज्यादा ट्रेनर्स हमारे पास हैं अभी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, तो हो सकता है अगर आप अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज प्लेटफॉर्म पे प्रूव करते हैं तो नेक्स्ट ईयर हम आपके साथ कोलैबोरेट करेंगे एज एन ऑफिशियल ट्रेनर. सेकेंडली, हम खुद का एक OTT प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी इज अवेयर ऑफ OTT, Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar. So ये सारे जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं इन्होंने डायरेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी हैं बहुत सारे केपेबल लोगों को. So that's what we are going to do. If you are a member of this platform, so once we launch our OTT platform at the end of 2022, then we will be giving you direct opportunities here. कोई भी बीच में नहीं होगा, right? किसी को भी आपको कुछ proof करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, सिर्फ आपको एक्टिव रहना है अपनी प्रोफाइल पे, right? So Harry is going to share the social media handles for Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. इस सेशन के बाद जो आप फर्स्ट चीज करेंगे वो ये होगा, you will be following us on all of these platforms so that you're sure about what is happening here, what kind of trainers we have here, what kind of training sessions we are doing here, right? आप जब YouTube पे जाएंगे तो आपको सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएंगी कि पहले टैलेंट राउंड 1 होता है, उससे पहले आपको एक इमेज कंसल्टेंट ट्रेन करता है. अगर आपका रैंप वॉक का राउंड होगा तो उसकी पहले आपकी ट्रेनिंग होगी. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप इस बैकग्राउंड से नहीं है then you will not be able to prove yourselves. We will be giving you a chance to groom yourself. आपको एक चांस मिलेगा. Moreover, you will not have to travel anywhere. आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप घर पे बैठ के जैसे आज अपना ऑडिशन दे रहे हैं, the same way you will be able to take up these training sessions, right? And gradually हम training sessions के साथ साथ आपके virtual rounds करेंगे. But get one point clear that the grand finale will be offline. अगर आपकी ट्रेनिंग्स ऑनलाइन हो रही है, राउंड्स ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपकी क्राउनिंग भी ऑनलाइन होगी, बिकॉज ये क्राउन हर कोई इन पर्सन पहनना चाहता है. आप चाहते होंगे कि लाइव कवरेज हो, इट शुड बी कवर्ड बाय ऑल द मेजर मीडिया हाउसेस. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी. दिसंबर सेकेंड वीक में आपका ग्रैंड फिनाले होगा. चाहे आप सिटी से विनर बनते हैं, आप स्टेट से विनर बनते हैं, और इफ यू बिकम द नेशनल विनर ऑफ फॉरएवर, देन यू विल बी क्राउन्ड देयर ड्यूरिंग दिस ग्रैंड फिनाले. Right, so it is going to be a huge event. लेकिन आपको सबसे पहले सिर्फ सिटी विनर बनने के बारे में सोचना है. Do not just think about directly becoming forever Miss and Mrs. India. Let's take it step by step. Let's understand the process first, then go for the trainings, and gradually you will see a difference that is coming in your personality. Right, so with respect to the process and the trainings, if there's anything that you would want to know, please feel free to ask any questions. Okay, so everyone's clear?
I have a question here.
Yes, Leela, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to know like which city we are, this grand finale will happen.
Okay, so city totally depends. Most probably we will be doing it in Goa in December.
Okay.
Yeah, so it depends on the situation. See, we are really hoping and keeping our fingers crossed that the situation remains intact and we do not really face the third wave of this pandemic.
Yeah, for that we have to get vaccinated.
Yes. All of you, if you haven't got yourself vaccinated till now, please do that at the earliest. And also, I forgot to mention one thing, that for becoming a lifetime member of this platform, for availing these training sessions, grooming sessions, and the business opportunities on this platform, there is this fee of 3,500 plus GST that you will have to pay. Yeah, so you've already paid an amount for appearing for the audition. Now, this is the second time that you will be paying for becoming a participant, and iske alawa, you will not have to pay any other amount. There's no other hidden fee here. Yeah, so I hope that is also clear with everyone. All right, perfect.
Okay, thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And I've shared the details of social media of Forever Star India chat box में. Make sure आप लोग screenshot ले ले and follow us on all these platforms. And of course, start creating an identity of your own. 6 months down the lane, आप में से ही कोई Miss India's, So when you will be searching Surbhi, Tanusha, Srishti, Khwab, आपका नाम automatically Google पे top पे आने वाला है, चाहे आप जीते ना जीते. So this is the kind of process that we are going to ensure. So all the very, very best. Thank you for appearing for the audition today. Thank you for giving out your time, and I shall see you in the training sessions, and have a lovely day ahead. Goodbye, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice. So I request you all to leave the meeting so that we can proceed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
सुरभि, सृष्टि, आप लोग मीटिंग लीव कर सकते हैं.
Thank you, ma'am.